Hmm. Light is perfect, but this camera is probably like completely contrast to what it is. This is an old that is the Damru back which we're using that. I like how it displays between these two. It's ಹಂಗೆ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತೀರ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಕ್ಕಂತೀನಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂತೀರ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಕ್ಕಂತೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನೇ ನೋಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ, ನಾ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೀ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ The weather is too freaking good today. Nice breeze. this beauty. I got it in Thailand. Like, you know, this, like, you know, just pulled me away, like, pulled me towards it. I saw this in the first initial 2-3 days of my trip, but I wasn't confident whether, you know, it is gonna be that great or what. But going last day of my Bangkok trip, probably I took this. The last days of so yeah, the last 2 days before I was leaving, I was in Bangkok. Then I bought this. I don't know whether that was it. That would have been a nice shot, but the camera.
Look at me, sure. Look at me, sure. I'm the captain now.
Compared to the last time, I think today there are more people and a little more vibrant. Short films are nice. So yeah, sitting there for me. And talk now, bro. Psych.
Hello. Barri madam, Corona. Nana madam.
If you can guess what is the price of this, then I won't give you guys anything, but just guess. ಅಣ್ಣ ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಹಾಂ ಕಟ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಹಾಂ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರು ಬರ್ತಣ್ಣ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ so yeah so this camera I got it in Thailand like you know I don't know what like I did not even figure out most of the features that this camera has. It can shoot 1080p video. It has a flash in the front. Let me show you guys. Wait. See, has a flash in the front, and yeah. So, and it has a flip screen. If you want to shoot vlogs, you can. But so basically, yeah, I just you know fell in love with the camera. I did not know what the features were, and I just bought it. But it's damn fun shooting with this piece, you know. You've probably seen the pictures that are coming out of these cameras, but not that of a great quality. I've just tweaked a little for saturation. Not much of an edit, but so yeah, I was saying not that great quality, but it's fun shooting at this. It's probably a different, like a different perspective, a different feel. Even holding the camera feels just not really normal. I think I should be shooting only away from the light, not with the light, because this one, I don't think so it is able to capture that much light exposure. Hey, not light exposure, yeah. So if you guys have watched my last video, I have gone to the Hemagota for sunset. That's there. But today I'm in Vijayanag, near Virupaksha itself. But I'll take you guys to a different place. This is another beautiful view of Virupaksha. This shot is a morning shot, not this one, but the next one that I'm about to show you. So this one is an iconic shot of Virupaksha. If you have a wider lens and this frame, you get a sunburst here. Beautiful. But now it's because it's evening. Let's try to frame him between those two pillars. Yep, we got it. Okay, now that we are here, I'll show you guys. This is the video quality of this camera. Okay, let me take one shot, one panning shot. like I said, this is. See, can you see those monkeys? Can you see those monkeys? All these monkeys, right? They go in the evenings. After the sunset is done, they just walk towards some spot or point. I don't know, but they walk towards it, and it's like they call it a day. It's fun, dude. It's fun. Hampi is fun. If you guys have not been to Hampi, please do visit. It's a fun place. It's for everyone. Doesn't matter. It's just like I said, Virupaksha is mesmerizing. I keep saying I have been to this spot, this exact spot, probably 100 or 200 times, but every single time he just makes it more interesting. Let's see if I can find something from here. Yeah. Like he's sitting in a lap. By the way, about the camera. So if anyone is going to Bangkok, do let me know. I have paid for 2 cameras, but I couldn't get them. If you guys are going to, please let me know or get it for me. Dude, you are so magical, man. The light, every single thing is pristine. I think I am leaving too much space on top. Cut the. Yeah, feels better. This picture is also pretty nice. The Hanuman temple in the middle. This has 2 points, and my Nano has been overheating from that time. So let's shoot till it's possible. Not taking any hassle. I need some gap to come in that so that it fills the area. I don't even know why these monuments were there. This one, and who kept that rock, man? We. It's a nice picture. Listen to the sound when it switches on. These stones are always trippy. Like, imagine they have carved these in the fucking rock. Like, sorry, in the rock, they just carved the stone. So crazy. So hot. That madness. Hampi like this is very nice. I get to see this Hampi very uh, less, because it's a good thing, too many people are making money out of it and everything, but tourism, everything has two sides, right? Even a coin. And personally, I like people coming from outside exploring the place, but just don't like it, and it's too many people. So yeah, it was a fun day. It's just nice. This is too much light for this camera. Look at this. But I think it can capture this. Yeah. Yep. This is better. Let me see if I can capture. This will look nice. Yes. I said light is everything, my friend. But such a good light for camera, man. Expecting too much. Such a good light for camera. I have this. But good. And I capture that. Yes, these rocks look nice in the foreground. Yeah, like this. Like I say, Vijayanagara Empire was pretty big. How do I say? Like, it's just vast. Everything that you see is Vijayanagara Empire. It's a nice frame. But can this camera capture so much? That's the point. That is the point, my friend. That is the point. This looks like a nice. The light is pretty nice. All the doors that I took before, the light wasn't that nice falling into it. This is pretty nice. Should probably just take just the door with those things on top. Yep. Okay. I think this is done. It's low power. There, but I think we got it. Too hot, right? Great that it can see those birds. So yeah guys, I think I've already got twice the notification that the battery is low power, and yeah, it switched off. I think that's it for the day. This wasn't I normally shoot videos just to have fun, learn, come up with new things, learn new perspectives while I shoot. That's it. So if you like what I do, if you like Hampi and want to see walking around with me Hampi, then do subscribe. Peace. Peace. Peace.